In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit an Asana task template. To begin with, you'll want to head over to the Asana website. Open up your web browser and type in the address, or simply click on the link if you have it saved somewhere. Once you're on the home page, the first thing you'll do is enter your email address in the designated box. Asana needs this information so that it knows which account to log you into. After you've entered your email, you'll see a continue button. Give that a click. This will lead you to the next screen where you'll need to enter your password. This step is essential for maintaining the security of your Asana account, so make sure you type your password carefully to avoid errors. Once that's done, hit login, and you'll be directed to your Asana homepage. When you're on the homepage, look through your list of projects and click on the one where you want to edit the task template. This is a key step because templates are specific to each project. Once you've selected the project, you'll see a customize option. Clicking on this allows you to see various ways you can tailor the project to your needs. In the customize section, you'll want to pinpoint the task templates option. Once you're there, locate your specific template. You'll notice three little dots next to the template you want to adjust. Click on these dots to reveal more options, and then select edit. This choice allows you to make the necessary changes to the template. Once you're in the editing mode, you'll have the ability to add new options. Feel free to tweak the template until it suits your specific project requirements. Perhaps you want to update some fields or remove some steps. Go ahead, you have full control here. Another useful change might be renaming the template to reflect its new purpose or content, making it easier for you and your team to identify what it's for. After making all your desired edits, don't forget to click on Done. This final step will save all your changes and ensure that your template is ready for use in your project. And there you have it, you've successfully edited your Asana task template, customized it to fit your needs, and made managing your projects just a little bit smoother. I hope this guide has been helpful, and now you can confidently tweak your task templates in Asana whenever you need to. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.